Let's quickly discuss some concepts and terms associated with classes and objects. A class describes a group or collection of objects with common attributes and methods. Remember, a class is like a plan or a blueprint. An object is one instance of a class. It's sometimes called an instantiation of a class because when a program creates an object, it instantiates the object. An example of a class might be dog, and it might have attributes such as name, age, and has shots. Some methods associated with the dog class might be to change the name or to update the shots. Another method might be to bark or roll over. Attributes are characteristics that define an object as part of a class. For an example, an automobile class might have attributes of make, like Chevrolet or Ford. Another attribute might be model, like Impala or Mustang. And year, purchase price, etc. are other examples of attributes. Methods are actions that alter, use, set, or retrieve the attribute values. For example, changing an automobile's running status, on or off, changing gear or speed, accelerate or decelerate, etc. Thinking in an object-oriented manner, everything is an object. Every object is a member of a class and has an is-a relationship. For example, my oak desk with the scratch on top is a desk. My oak desk with the scratch on top could be the object, desk is the class. And classes have reusability. For example, the instance variables or the attributes, sometimes called fields. These are the data components of a class that belong to every instantiated object. Remember, every automobile has the make and model and year, etc. Every object has a state. It's a set of all the values or contents of a class object's instance variables. Every object that is an instance of a class possesses the same methods. In other words, every automobile has the method to turn it on or off, the method for speed to accelerate or decelerate, etc. Classes are created with the idea that objects will be instantiated. And the class client or a class user, that's the actual program or class that instantiates the objects of another pre-written class.